Want to make this easy bracelet? Let's go. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and we are going to make this aluminum bracelet today that is highlighted with a gold tone cowrie shell. All you need are your tools, your cutting tools, your flat nose, your round nose pliers. You need some 12 gauge aluminum wire. You need some 20 gauge or 22 gauge gold tone wire. And of course, you need whatever you're going to use as your focus bead. I'm using a gold tone cowrie shell. I'm cutting a length of wire about 5 feet long. I want you to go down about 12 inches and then fold your wire. And you'll see here, I go down about 5 inches, which was really too short. So if you go down 12 inches, I think everything will work better. Now I want you to move down your wire about 6.5 inches and fold the other end. And you're going to go back and forth, folding each end at the same spot until you go around 3 times. When you get to your third round, I want you to extend the wire about 5 inches and then cut it. Now take your long piece of wire and wrap it around at your fold. And go around about 3 times. And then tuck the wire under so that you can cut it and then kind of hide the end of the wire under your wire. Now, if I had left enough wire, I was supposed to have another piece of wire that was extending about 5 inches, and I would have been able to to do the same thing that I did before, just wrap it around. But I ended up having to cut a new piece of wire to wrap my end. So I've wrapped it, and here I'm tucking the wire under so that it won't scratch. Now I'm going to spread my wire just so I could see the outside wire and the middle wire and the inside wire. And I'm going to take the inside wire and just manipulate them a little bit. Just fold them in and out just to give them some shape. I do the same thing with the middle wires. I just manipulate them to give them some shape and form. I'm not going to shape the two outside wires. I want them to stay straight. Now I need a bracelet form, and since I don't have one, I'm going to use this bottle of water to shape my bracelet. Now this is a cuff bracelet, so you know that the cuff bracelet is usually oval shaped. So that's what I'm going to do now, is to use my hands to get the oval shape. Now I'm going to insert my bead, my focal bead. I'm going to attach it between the two center pieces of wire. I'm getting an idea about where I'm going to place it. Now I'm going to use my 20 gauge wire to attach the bead to the bracelet. I wish I had used 22 gauge because that 20 gauge was a little bit difficult to manipulate. I did get it done. I didn't say that I'm out of town, so I don't have all of my usual supplies. So I'm making do with what I have. Wiring this bead with this 20 gauge wire was really a challenge for me. Hopefully you're better at doing it than I am. But you know, this is all experimental, so we're just doing what we need to do to make it work. I start out by wrapping the wire 3 times around my aluminum wire, and then I'm going to slide my bead on and do the same thing again, wrap the wire around 3 times to secure my bead. Please accept my apology. The struggle is real. I'm just really having a challenge getting this wire wrapped around. Yay, I attached the bead. Now I'm just going to adjust the other wires, and make sure that they look the way that I want them to look. And we will be finishing. I also made a pair of earrings to match these, but I'll put that in another video since this one is pretty long. After I wrap the wire, of course, I squeeze the wire to so that it won't pinch or cut. I get my 12 gauge aluminum wire from Amazon, and there is a link to my Amazon store where you can pick this wire up if you're interested in getting it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I would love it if you would help me to get there. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.